Hello there, my name is Scrollo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today, something absolutely insane. The brand new Terra LUNA was just listed over on Bybit and it is looking absolutely crazy. So without any further ado, if you're into this kind of stuff, if you're into cryptocurrencies, into Bitcoin, into brand new Terra LUNA, and you want to know what my opinion on it is and what my price targets are and what is possible from Terra LUNA right now, then hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I make a new upload. And also, down in the description of this video, there is a link to my free Telegram channel so that you're always updated when the market is on the move. And you can always participate in our incredible trading community there as well. And yeah, so without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. Guys and girls, please hit that like button because we are currently here in Monaco doing a lot of crazy stuff, but I'm still there for you every step of the way. When whatever happens in the crypto markets, I'm still there to make a video for you, for my YouTube family. But if you don't want to like the video, that's absolutely fine. Still enjoy this amazing content. So we're currently seeing the price of Terra LUNA at about $20 and the current market cap is $3.5 billion, which is absolutely insane. And one of the first exchanges to list Luna, brand new Luna, is Bybit, and you can see this insane pump right here from 50 cents all the way up to $30. Guys and girls, this is absolutely incredible, and this is a historic moment really when something like this happens. And the big question now is really, I mean, how sustainable is this insane climb? And of course, if you want to be trading Luna actively right now, longing or shorting it, if you believe it's going to go to zero, then you can do it over on Bybit. And with my exclusive link down in the description of this video or in the pinned comment, you'll get up to $4,100 in free bonuses on top of your initial deposit, only if you're going to use my link and sign up to Bybit using my link. And you will also get for 30 days 0% maker fees and save yourself a lot of money on fees, trading fees, which is insane. So use that. And yeah, Bybit is one of the first to even have Luna right now. Binance doesn't have Luna right now, and Bybit does. So for that reason, I love Bybit. They were voted as the most transparent crypto exchange in 2021, as I told you before. So in this instance, like, you know, how high can it actually go, and why is it climbing right now after everything that has happened with the depegging of the UST and, you know, so many people losing so much money? Why did it go from 50 cents all the way up to $30? And why do we currently have a crazy market cap of about $3.5 billion right there? So, oh, geez, not that. So big questions, right? And little answers, but I do have answers for you. And that's why, and from those answers, the potential for the next few hours and days and weeks is going to come out as well, in my personal opinion. So the answer here really lies within FOMO effect. And as I told you before in my previous videos, and that's why you're liking these videos, and that's why you're subscribing, and that's why you're commenting down below and calling me Mr. Spot On. I did tell you that when brand new Luna is going to be listed, it's going to certainly be a very appealing short-term opportunity, just because there is a huge Terra LUNA existing community. Despite everything that happened, despite people losing all the money, it's people, and people expect for it to pump because they know that the community is huge and that there's still going to be a bunch of people buying brand new Luna in hopes that it's just going to explode and there's going to be a FOMO effect and we're going to just shoot to the stars. So this is what is happening right now. This is just FOMO effect, and a lot of people putting a lot of money into it, just hoping to, you know, for it to go to $50, $60, $100, etc. So it's like, you know, one, as they're saying, it's like a one time in a life opportunity. But now, guys and girls, let's ask ourselves, is this really a opportunity of a lifetime? And the answer is, you know, if you got in at any price below $5 and traded it up, sold it at 20, 25, 30, that's cool, right? You made like 5x your money, whatever. So that's great. And it goes within the narrative that I explained to you before, that we're going to have this FOMO effect and that there's going to be a lot of people actually bringing in a lot of liquidity just because of the sheer size of the lunatics, and as they call themselves, Luna fans, lunatics, the sheer size of that community and the liquidity it's bringing. But the question is, and this is huge, I mean, how sustainable is this? And in my honest, humble opinion, not financial advice, I don't think it's very sustainable. Because remember that Terra Luna, the previous one, the original one, went to about $100 to $120, but they had a stable coin in their ecosystem, which has failed. And it was one of that, huge attempts to make an uncollateralized algorithmic stable coin, which just proven to be a flawed mechanism. So, but that was what contributed to that huge climb in price because of how it worked. And I explained it to you before, that it was that when you were buying one UST, it ended up that $1 that you paid for that one UST would go into purchasing of one Luna. And then when you want to sell it, that's how you would actually, they would sell some Luna to give you back your dollar for one UST. So, and that's how it collapsed as well. But that also brought a lot of synthetic demand to Luna token itself. And right now we don't have it. All we have is about 10% of developments that the Terra Luna Foundation has and the Terra Luna ecosystem itself. So of course they have some cool projects that have been working on, but it's by far not as huge of value in terms of value as was their stablecoin. So for that reason, us seeing, let's go back to here. So for us currently seeing a market cap of over $3 billion, it is absolutely incredible. I mean, and if we're gonna do, I don't know if we're gonna go to, let's say $60, we're gonna get to about 7 billion in market cap, and that is gonna put Terra Luna again in the top of the top tier of cryptocurrencies, and without it having any stablecoin within its ecosystem. So is that really possible? And the answer is, of course it's possible. In a short-term perspective, it's possible because there's a lot of people who are going to be buying into it. There's a lot of media coverage is going to happen now, and it's going to be one of the hottest tokens, but it's not going to be based on value. It's going to be more based on meme coin narrative that is just going to explode for the sake of exploding and making some people some money, and most are going to lose in it. So that's my honest, humble opinion. So if you got in at $5, good for you, but getting in at something like $30, $40, that's just, in my personal opinion, complete and pure insanity. So let me know down in the comments if you agree, if you don't agree, and also let me know if I should make a Bitcoin update today, because there seems to be a lot of suppression and manipulation in the markets right now, and Bitcoin currently is very strange looking, so there is a lot of stuff to talk about. Let me know if you should make a video about it today as well, and I will. So if you will let me know down in the comments. As always, thank you for watching. Stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.